Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me out in the shop today for just a minute. On the front diff for the Tundra, there you can see all the bits and pieces still hanging out down there in the bottom. I'm going to hose these gear or bearings off real good and put a locker in this. What I broke were the spider gears. I've already thrown them in a bucket. Sorry you didn't get to see that. Going to clean this half out, clean the bearings off real well, and put this sucker back together with what I got here. I'm looking for, oh, there's the bearing race and stuff. The pin was all chewed up. This is a new pin, a replacement pin that I had. I thought I had all the spider gears and I didn't. So I just bought a lunchbox locker for it. You've seen me tear these apart, these front ends apart before. I just wanted to show you what went on. Tundra will be back. Sorry, I just got done eating some spicy jerky, so whoo, my mouth's watering. I'm going to get this all put back together regardless. And yeah, then I'm going to be locked in the front on the Tundra. So that's good news. I pulled the actuator and I didn't need to. I wasn't sure. It's been a long time since I took one of these apart. Yeah, you know how to install the lunchbox locker with the pins and all. This one's a Spartan. And yeah, getting ready to put it in. So stay tuned and the Tundra will be back on the road before you know it. We'll give her a little test drive. I'll post some of this up, maybe. Yeah, I got videos on tearing apart. I got videos on installing lunchbox lockers, like 3 of them. So tune into that if you need. Ask questions if you got them. I'll be back when I get this in the truck, maybe. Okay, so I put all that back together. Yeah, it looks a little foggy in here because I did a big burnout. I think you should see one. So, 4-wheel drive working, rear or front and rear lockers working. Tundra back on the road. Let's do a big burnout and call it good. Can't wait for this weekend when we're going to destroy the Ford. You guys will get to see that. Good to have the Tundra back working again. And just because do a big ass burnout, right? Oh, what am I running over? Who knows? Okay, so you got to see that. Tundra is back. Burnouts won't be part of its daily routine. But hell, why not, eh? So happy to have the Tundra back working again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the burnout, watching the burnout, gratuitous burnouts, eh? Why not? What a blustery day. I'm so happy to have this back. 4-wheel drive, everything is fine. Yeah, buddy. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned. You know, it just gets better. Oswald and I, we love you. Hey, I appreciate you. Have a great day, okay?